Followers, ka-subscribers, ka-YouTubers. Ulan sa labas, alangan naman sa loob. Doon talaga sa labas. Di ba? May pag insultador talaga. Maulan talaga, maulan talaga sa labas, mga ka-viewers. Lakas ng ulan. So, today is uh, Christmas party sana namin doon sa sa Blossom Seed. So I don't need to go there because it's not my off day. So I'm going off day this coming 24 of November. So hindi ko na lang So ayan guys, maulan talaga. Ayan. Sobrang ulan guys, no. Buti na lang hindi na masyado. Kanina ayan, ulan. So, lagay muna natin dito guys ha. Taglit lang kay magpuga ko karon og map. Diba guys? Maulan talaga. So, tapos ka namin sa kung naong guys, okay. Pero ang original ba ni guys? Kuan ba? The original is not like this. The original is a lot of hole. My face is a lot of hole, you know. Just thanks to my phone because my phones make me beautiful face. Okay guys. See you. Tapusin ko man ang mag-map guys ha, kay I have a lot of things to do now, but it's not very much. I just want to finish quick this one because you know but they are going back now, so I'm not yet finished to my work. So later what's happening like that. Bye.